Hello and welcome everyone to MaritimeSportsCards.com. This is break number 003. And before we get started, I would just like to say thank you to all of the early adopters. This is my very first live break. I appreciate the support that everybody has offered thus far. We do have a number of open spaces tonight. I've put my name in for those spaces. Tonight, when I do the randomization to determine which person is going to be assigned which team, if Chicago comes up beside my name, I will re-randomize it to ensure that somebody who's bought a spot in tonight's break will end up with Chicago. So I'm going to randomize the teams here. I will do it 3 times. So I'll hit the randomize button 3 times. I will then hit the randomize button on the right side, which is all the names of the folks that have bought into the break. I will do that 3 times. And then take a quick AFK while I put everything all in to assign the teams to the people, and then be right back and we'll get right into the break itself. So give me 1 sec here while I randomize things up. So it looks like Chicago is number 13, which has been assigned to Chevy D. That is somebody who is actually in on the break tonight. So we look good here. 1 second while I go AFK. Going to put this all together on a graphic that will be on the screen while we're doing the break. Okay, so we've got our list of teams here. Everyone can take note of which teams they've been assigned to. Again, looks like Chicago is Chevy or Chevy. I think it's probably Chevy D. Pardon me if I've pronounced it incorrectly. Tonight's break, we are going to be opening up 3 boxes of 2023-2024 O-Pee-Chee hobby boxes. Of course, this is the big talk right now. Everyone's searching that very first rookie card of Connor Bedard on ice in a jersey. Hopefully tonight we'll have some good luck. All right, so let's get started. Again, I do thank everybody that has jumped in to tonight's break. It is my very first live break, so I do appreciate any patience that may be required as we go through this. Hoping to build a bit of a following here. My intention is to do breaks as often as possible. I do have one that is going to be happening on February 29th. That's a Thursday, 1 week from today. That break will be for 3 boxes of 2023-24 O-Pee-Chee, as well as 2 boxes of 2023-24 artifacts, which you see here in the background. Okay, so pull these out. I'm going to mix them up a little bit, and then we will start cracking these packs. All right, here we go. Pack 1. For those that haven't seen what the new O-Pee-Chee cards look like, I'll go through this very first pack, give it a little bit of a lay of the land. This is what we're looking at. A really nice, clean card this year. Really appreciating the look of the O-Pee-Chee. It's going to be a bunch of base cards, 3 cards in the center. The 3 cards in the center will be our parallels, our hit cards, and of course on the back, this is what the back of the base cards look like. Again, just a nice, clean look. So here we have our base cards. And then we'll get into our marquee rookies. This is a purple parallel. And then we have a retro. So this is a retro of Sidney Crosby, a retro look of Sidney Crosby's card, followed by additional base cards here. So for the breaks, the base cards do not get sent out to the folks that have bought in. We're only shipping out the inserts. I am including the marquee rookies, even though those are base cards. We are including those because, of course, that is where we're going to find, hopefully, Connor Bedard tonight. So the base cards are base rookie cards. These ones, the marquee rookies, these are included in the price today. Those are going to definitely be shipped out. So we got our base cards here. And right to a blue parallel here, a retro. Maybe. Looks like we only got 2 in this pack, which is odd. There's usually 3. So I missed one. I missed the All-Star. So there are also All-Star cards that are in the mix here. Those are included in the 3, so you either get an All-Star or you get a marquee rookie. Looks like we've got a gold Premier. This is the O-Pee-Chee Premier cards are a kind of look at what they're going to be like. Nice looking card. Classic. Marquee rookie here. And a retro. Bunch more base. I will also go back through the base cards because there are parallels of a portrait. So an up close of the player. I'll go through those to ensure that I haven't missed any. If I did get any of those, we will definitely send those out as well. Okay, so we got our base. We have a red parallel of Ridley Gregg. Certainly talk of the NHL last week with the slap shot into an empty net, which led to Morgan Riley's 5-game suspension. Certainly not sportsmanlike, if you ask me. Not saying he had it coming, but definitely not something we want to see in the game. Marner and Lowry. We got a blue parallel here. Oh, I must have missed an all-star there. Oh, it was a marquee rookie that I missed there, Sean Farrell. Pardon me on that. Oh, we got a playing card. These are actually kind of cool. I like these playing cards. Look on the back here. It's got a really nice design. And what we're looking for here are the aces. Those are certainly any of the higher cards, the Jack, Queen, King, and Ace tend to be a little bit more valuable. And then the jokers are the most sought after. Hopefully going to be able to get the entire set. This is a really nice one of Cole Caulfield. Marquee rookie. And a retro. In the card cam, that's a insert that I pulled in one of my own boxes. This is the patch cards. This one's of Anse Kopitar. This is the Mark Messier trophy. There's quite a few of these that are available. I've seen a number of different ones on eBay. I think they're really nice cards. So maybe we might find one of those as well tonight. We've got another playing card. This one's Rasmus Dahlin. Marquee rookie of Owen Beck. And Nola Chari for the retro. Love to hear any comments down in the comment section about tonight's break. Any feedback you might have. Are you enjoying this? Not enjoying it? Suggestions for me as a new breaker. Things I could do differently. Feedback is always welcome. Marquee rookie here. Jonathan Gruden. Blue parallel. And a retro of Ross Colton. Tyson Forrester. Marquee rookie. Got a red. These red ones, if we look on the back here, just a red variation, red parallel. And then a retro as well. Slavkovsky. A few Montreal Canadian retros this evening. An all-star of Hellebuck. Blue variation, Stutzla, and another retro. The thing I guess I like about this particular product, you do get 10 cards per pack, 18 packs per box. That's 180 cards. That's a really great offering. Unfortunately, the prices have just started to run away on the boxes. Seeing them now as high as $180 a box, and that's if you can even find them. Definitely the Connor Bedard effect. I would say this particular product, without Bedard's, probably sitting somewhere around that $90 mark. So almost double because of Connor Bedard. And I don't know how I feel about that. I think he's certainly one heck of a talent, but I'm not sure that it should be doubling the price of a box of cards. Okay, we got another playing card here. Marquee rookie. And a rookie retro. So this one's a rookie. You can see that at the bottom, rookie retro. When we say retro, it's a retro looking card. Love to hear your comments down below as well. What do you think about the price of these boxes? Is Bedard Is the Bedard effect real? I think it is. Is it, wrecking it for maybe the kids that are trying to collect these types of cards, driving that price way up? We got our All-Star here. Purple variation or parallel. These ones are numbered, by the way, out of 49. This one's a 13 out of 49. I did not check the last one to see what that one was, but they are a numbered card, short print. And then our retro. I believe there's one red parallel per box. You can get multiple purples or blues, but I think there's only one red per box as a guarantee. There might be more, but I think there's a guarantee of just one. Another Marquee Rookie, blue parallel, and our retro. Under our last few packs of this box, hopefully we'll get lucky in here. We got a gold Premier, Kenny Malkin, Kaprizov, and a retro rookie of Tyson Forrester. Four packs left. Marquee Rookie. Oh, we got a black card here. Black ones are also numbered. This one is a 99 of 100. Short print, 99 of 100. Right out of the box, a little ding at the top there. Don't like to see that. Overall, I will say I've been fairly impressed with the quality of the cards compared to some of the other Upper Deck products that I've opened more recently. The quality seems to be fairly high on these. Rare to find a defect like that. 3 packs left. Box 1. These are Marquee Rookie, blue parallel, and retro. And 2 packs. Playing card, Sorokin. And Kucherov on our retro. Last pack for box number 1. Oh, we've got a foil card here coming up. That could be Leo Carlson. That's a nice card. Really nice card. Good player, nice hit. Not sure who's got Anaheim. Let me just pop up those teams again. That's beautiful. Yeah, it's also a short print. This one is 13 of 75. Just going to take a quick pause here to get that one sleeved up. That one here under our card cam. Beautiful card. Nice hit for Anaheim. Anaheim is Roger A. Carry on with the rest of this last pack here. All-Star and our retro. Not a bad box one. That Leo Carlson is a beautiful rookie card. That is, let put this back up on the overhead so we can see that on the card cam. Straighten it a little bit. There we go. We'll dive into the second box tonight here. Mix them up a little bit. Don't know if these particular boxes have their packs oriented in any certain way where, you know, bottom right always has the hit or not. Haven't yet discovered that, so I like to mix them up just in case. All right, starting into box number 2 here, I will put up the teams again just so that everybody can see which teams they have. Starting off with a foil. Oh, starting off with a really cool. That's neat. Devin Levi, Logan Cooley, really sought after rookie as well. And then we've got our retro. So let's get these set aside. A closer look at this one. It's a really solid 3D card. On the back there again, Devin Levi. Fairly rare. I've opened a number of boxes now. I think I've opened about, I'm going to say 8 boxes. This is the first one of this type of card that I've pulled. So it may be rare for me, and maybe others have had more luck with them, but that's just a neat looking card. That one all sleeved up. Put that on the stand. Up there. Love to hear in the comments below how many of you been seeing, what kind of odds you've been getting. I didn't read the box just before we started tonight to see the odds on those, but wondering which ones you might have pulled. Pedersen All-Star, Linus Allmark, Blue Parallel, and our retro. Okay, playing card, Jack Hughes, Marquee Rookie, and retro. So we got a black card coming up. Marquee Rookie. So that one will be a short print. 33 of 100. And a Shane Wright retro. Not sure if we'll see Shane Wright again, or if we do, in what capacity. Certainly came into the league with a lot of hype behind him, much like Bedard. And unfortunately, Shane did not produce back down in the minors. But he might be a dark horse rookie to be looking for. Maybe he turns out to be like Draisaitl. If you remember back when he broke into the league, a lot of expectations didn't really hit those until later on, 3 or 4 years in, and then his, of course, rookie card shot up from there. Shane Wright might be the same. Logan Thompson All-Star. An upside down blue parallel. A Jack Hughes retro. I'm checking the backs of these as well. There are blank backs that you can get, which are a little bit more rare and sought after. Haven't seen one yet, but I will definitely check through those as well. Another O-Pee-Chee Premier. And the O-Pee-Chee Premier, the borders are matching the team colors. So the ones we saw in gold earlier were from teams that had more of a yellow or gold jersey. This one here is matching, of course, the Seattle Kraken. And what do we have here? Retro. Oh, got a red one here. And it's a rookie. That's nice to see. Matthew Coronato. Calgary Flames. So it's a premier rookie card. Nice hit there for Calgary. Playing card of Zegras. Marquee rookie. Retro. There's our purple parallel there. We'll check to see what number that one is. Is a 10 of 49. Johnny Gaudreau having a real rough go in Columbus, not really playing up to his potential. Huge contract, low production. Hopefully he'll be able to turn that around. All-Star here. Cal McCarr. And a retro. So far, skunked on the Bedard. Hopefully we can turn that one around. Matty Beniers. Marquee rookie of Askarov. Decent rookie. Checklist. I've actually seen the retro variation of the checklist, which is, I mean, I guess it counts as an insert, but a lot of people are a little upset about that. There's a red card, Brady Tkachuk. Two checklist. And did I miss something in that one? Besides our two checklists. Nope, doesn't look like it. And Rich is asking, hey, what did I end up with teams? Let me throw that up there on the screen so that Rich can have a look. And anyone else that isn't sure which teams they have, that'll come up right about now. I think Rich had a few entries, so probably a few different teams there. We have ourselves a playing card. Oh, I saw Chicago and thought maybe we got Bedard on a retro, but no, Lucas Reichel. Luke Hughes, marquee rookie. Sidney Crosby. Open this up. Oh, foil. Ovechkin. It's a nice looking card. This is the preview for the O-Pee-Chee Premier, or Platinum, pardon me, not Premier, Platinum. That one all sleeved up. Put that one here. Under our last 3 packs of box number 2. Looks like we do have a foil card coming up. That's a foil all-star. Numbered card, 53 of 350. Bring up the team board again. Can certainly do that. Roger's saying bought 5 spots, or got 5, paid for 7. I will certainly double check that, Roger, when I can. I can't pull that up here live, but I'll definitely look into that. If I did, I will certainly make amends in one way or another. I do believe you bought some spots on February 29th as well as this break, so maybe it's the combined ones that you're adding there, but I will definitely check into that for you. And yes, I will pull the teams up here in just a moment. All right, last pack here of box number 2. Well, we've got our red parallel coming up. Hurdle. Skunked on Bedard for box number 2 as well. All right, let's dive right back into box number 3. Okay, last box of the breaks, box number 3. Hopefully everybody has enjoyed themselves thus far. We've had some pretty nice cards that we've pulled. Unfortunately, not a Bedard yet, but some nice cards. As I said earlier, if there is any feedback from anybody on the break itself, suggestions for me as a new breaker on what I could do differently, I would love to hear that. I do have another break coming up on Thursday, February 29th at the same time, starting at 7 p.m. Eastern, 8 o'clock Atlantic time. 3 boxes of O-Pee-Chee, 2 boxes of Artifacts, all 23-24. Price for that is $30 a spot. Teams randomized just like this evening. All right, kicking off box number 3. Another playing card, Nathan McKinnon. Luke Hughes. Two marquee rookies. Might be the first time I've seen that. All-Star, marquee rookie, retro. I think the Hughes is a picture variation. Let's back up and take a look. You may be correct. Actually, you are correct. It is a picture variation. No helmet, up close, picture variation. I do recall seeing a Luke Hughes marquee rookie earlier, and you're right. It was in uniform with the helmet on, so on and so forth. This may very well be a variation. Thanks for bringing that up, Chris. We've got a red card coming. Logan Thompson. Is a red card. Another Logan Cooley. Matty Beniers. Playing card, Pavelski, Nick Suzuki, and a Luke Hughes rookie, retro. 3 different variations of Luke Hughes rookie tonight. The regular, the retro, and the portrait. Not sure who had New Jersey, but that's not a bad little score. All right, another Luke Hughes, and there he is there with the regular. So, yes, there was a portrait back there. We've got a black card coming up. Huberdeau, short print number 13, 13 of 100. Still no sightings. We got a foil coming up. Desharnais rookie. Dylan Larkin. Short print 143 of 350. Sturkin. You got a Sorokin Premier, Drew Hellison, marquee rookie, and a retro of Nathan McKinnon. Definitely a lot of rookies in this set, down to our last 6 packs here. A lot of rookies in the set, 600 cards in total for the entire set. Plus, on top of that, we've got all of the parallels. It's a definite big set of cards. McKinnon All-Star. There we go. Got a Joker. Definitely a sought-after card. I'm not sure who has Seattle, but that's a great pull. Sleeve. Put that one here on our card can. Throw Ovechkin up there on the stand. And our last 4 packs. The Premier, the Flower, Marc-Andre Fleury. Rumors abound that he's headed somewhere in Canada, maybe Toronto, not sure. That would be interesting. Poitras, and another retro. Playing card. Rookie. 2 packs left. Oh boy, down to our last pack. Is this the one? I don't know. Sure hope so. 3 boxes, no Bedard sightings. We literally got skunked on Bedard, unfortunately. Sorry about that, guys. Unfortunately, I do not control the cards that are in the boxes. Hopefully, everybody had a really good break. There were some nice cards that definitely got pulled. I think that Leo Carlsson probably is the best of the bunch. Let's take another look at that one. Beautiful looking card. This one too, the Levi 3D card. Got an Ovechkin O-Pee-Chee Platinum, the preview card. And we've got a Seattle Kraken mascot Joker card named Buddy. And quite a few others that I didn't sleeve up right away. I'll get those sleeved up and sent out. I do appreciate everybody's purchases in the break tonight. Hopefully we'll see you next week, Thursday the 29th. Doing 3 more hobby boxes. They're sitting right here in front of me, and we've got the 2 artifacts boxes as well. We are full on Bedard chasing. We got the Bedard redemption cards in artifacts, and we've got the potential for a number of different Bedard cards in these other 3 boxes. Perhaps next week, better luck than this week. Appreciate everybody's time this evening, and if there are any forms of feedback that you have, certainly leave those down in the comments below. As a new breaker, always looking for suggestions.